Hey friends, if you wish to use Google Maps, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So how would you access them? Okay, you'll have to go to maps.google.com to access the maps at a basic level. Okay, and then it will show the area where you are right now as per the location settings, or you can simply click there and get a pointer. And when you get a pointer, it will mention the details of that area. Or you can click at that location. It will tell you the latitude, longitude. You can share it. You can calculate locations from that distance from that location to distance till another location. Or you can what do we say? Check what is there. Or you can print the map, or you can also measure the distance. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.